Okay, well, welcome back to Black Swan Outdoors. This is a continuation of my emergency kit. This is basically the all of the radio-related paperwork or paraphernalia that I carry with me. So I've got some books here on ham radio etiquette, just some kind of basic stuff, mainly for teaching other people. And then I've got some area maps, including plot maps of my area. All of information for weather spotting that I need, as well as forms to relay messages. Just some guides, some radio monitoring guide and manuals for the radios that I have. Amateur radio band plans. These are cards for local and other types of frequencies, repeaters in the area and outside my area region. And then my unconventional force signals operation instructions, and that goes that you can download from blackswanoutdoors.com. And it has everything that you would need to know to organize your signals operation. And I have a video specifically about this, but basically you can organize your frequencies, your coordinates. You can do. There's a brevity matrix. There's cards here that you can fill out, cut out. For communication cards, and then reports, spot reports, situation reports, battle damage reports, intelligence reports, all of this stuff that you can keep handy. And all of that in this nice little folder that I carry with me.